You might not believe this, but I'm 84 years old, and just 4 days after starting this simple turmeric recipe, something amazing happened. My joint pain and swelling began to fade. Welcome to Gentle Wellness, where we share natural, trusted tips to help you live stronger, feel better, and stay active at any age. If you're over 60 and dealing with stiff knees, aching hands, or swollen joints, you're not alone. Many seniors feel like inflammation is just a part of growing older. But what if I told you there's a natural way to calm it down without pills or side effects? That's what happened to me. And in today's video, I'll walk you through the exact turmeric recipe that helped me, the science behind it, and the common foods you might be eating every day that are secretly making inflammation worse. Let's begin with the star of today's story, turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The key ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin, and curcumin is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. It works by blocking molecules in the body that cause swelling and pain, especially in the joints. But here's the thing most people don't know. Your body doesn't absorb curcumin very well on its own. That's why the recipe I'll show you today includes two important ingredients that help unlock turmeric's full power: black pepper and healthy fat. Black pepper contains piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. And a little healthy fat, like coconut oil or almond milk, helps your body use it more effectively. Before I share the exact recipe, let's quickly talk about something just as important: what you're eating every day that could be feeding inflammation in your body. Here are 3 common foods that silently damage aging joints and muscles. 1. Vegetable oils like corn, soybean, or sunflower oil. These oils are high in omega-6 fats, which throw off your body's balance and can increase inflammation. What to eat instead? Use olive oil, avocado oil, or a small amount of grass-fed butter. 2. Refined sugars like candies, cookies, or soda. Sugar causes spikes in blood sugar and increases inflammatory markers. It also worsens joint pain over time. What to eat instead? Choose fruits like berries, apples, or oranges when you want something sweet. 3. White bread, pasta, and other refined carbs. These are quickly turned into sugar in your body and can make inflammation worse, especially if you're already dealing with arthritis or joint pain. What to eat instead? Try oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, or whole grain bread in moderation. These small changes in your daily diet can go a long way in calming inflammation. And when combined with the turmeric recipe I'll share next, the results can be powerful. Coming up, I'll show you how to make the exact turmeric drink I use every evening, and how just 1 warm cup a day helped me sleep better, move easier, and feel younger in just 4 days. Now let's dive into the exact turmeric recipe that changed everything for me. It's simple, it's soothing, and it takes just a few minutes to prepare. Golden turmeric drink, also called golden milk. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, or low-fat dairy. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, optional for added flavor and blood sugar control. 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee. A little honey, optional just for taste. How to make it? Pour the milk into a small saucepan and warm it on low heat. Add the turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and coconut oil. Stir well and let it heat for about 5 minutes. Don't boil it, just let it get warm enough to sip. Remove from heat and pour into your favorite mug. Add a little honey if you like a touch of sweetness. Drink it every evening, about an hour before bedtime. This isn't just a cozy bedtime drink. It's a healing tonic that supports your joints, calms your nerves, and helps your body repair itself while you sleep. After 4 days of drinking this golden milk every night, I noticed that my morning stiffness was nearly gone. I could walk longer without pain in my knees. And I was finally sleeping through the night without being woken up by joint aches. Let's talk about why this simple recipe works so well, especially for people over 60. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, 2 things that silently cause pain, joint damage, and fatigue. Curcumin in turmeric fights both. It's a natural antioxidant that reduces those harmful processes, especially in people with arthritis, diabetes, or cardiovascular issues. In fact, Studies have shown that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs without the harsh side effects. But remember, it has to be taken the right way, with black pepper and fat, or it won't work. So if you're someone who's tired of waking up sore, stiff, or swollen, give this golden milk a try tonight. You have nothing to lose and possibly a whole lot of comfort to gain. Coming up next, I'll walk you through the mistake many older adults make with turmeric and how to avoid it so you get real results. Plus, I'll share the 3 best anti-inflammatory foods to add to your meals for even faster healing. Now let's talk about a common mistake many older adults make when using turmeric. And it's one of the main reasons some people say, it didn't work for me. The mistake? Inconsistency. Turmeric isn't a one-time fix. It's not like a painkiller that gives instant relief and then wears off. It works slowly, gently, and over time, building up in your system, reducing inflammation little by little. That's why I always say, commit to it for at least 7 days. Give your body time to respond. Just like watering a plant doesn't show results overnight, your joints and muscles need time to heal and improve. Now, if you want to speed up that healing, turmeric works even better when paired with anti-inflammatory foods in your daily meals. Let me share the 3 best foods I added to my plate while drinking golden milk, and how they help me feel better, faster. 1. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for reducing joint pain and stiffness. If you don't eat fish, you can try flax seeds, chia seeds, or a fish oil supplement after asking your doctor. 2. Berries, especially blueberries and strawberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants that help protect your joints from damage. They also lower a key inflammation marker in your blood called CRP, C-reactive protein. I try to eat a small bowl of berries with breakfast or as a midday snack. 3. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, or morena. These vegetables are packed with magnesium, calcium, and vitamins A and C, all of which are crucial for keeping joints strong and flexible. A warm spinach soup or a small salad with olive oil can make a huge difference. When I combine these foods with the turmeric drink, I noticed less swelling around my ankles and fingers, more energy during the day, and I was able to move through my daily chores without that nagging, stiff feeling. But healing is not just about what you add, it's also about what you take away. So, in the next part, I'll show you the top 3 inflammation-triggering habits that many older adults don't even realize they're doing, and how you can replace them with gentle, healthy choices that your body will thank you for. Now, let's uncover the 3 hidden habits that may be feeding inflammation in your body every single day, without you even realizing it. These habits are especially common among older adults, and the good news is they're easy to fix with a few simple swaps. Habit number 1. Sitting too long without moving. When we sit for long periods, whether watching TV, reading, or even resting, we reduce blood flow to our joints and muscles. This can cause stiffness, swelling, and even increase inflammatory markers in the body. Try this instead. Set a timer to get up every 30 to 60 minutes. Just a gentle walk around the house, a few leg stretches, or ankle rolls can boost circulation and reduce inflammation. Habit number 2, skipping water. Mild dehydration is a sneaky cause of joint pain and fatigue. Without enough water, your joints lose lubrication and toxins that trigger inflammation build up in your body. Try this instead. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning and keep a small bottle near you throughout the day. Add a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves to make it more enjoyable. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses daily. More if you're eating salty foods or sweating. Habit number 3, eating late-night snacks. Late-night eating, especially sugary or fried foods, keeps your body in digest mode when it should be healing and resting. This slows your metabolism and increases overnight inflammation. Try this instead. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. And if you need a light snack, choose something like a warm turmeric drink, a banana, or a handful of walnuts. When I changed these small habits alongside the turmeric routine, I felt like my body was finally working with me, not against me. And now, after all these simple shifts, here's what a typical day of anti-inflammatory living looks like for me. Morning, a glass of warm water with lemon, followed by a bowl of oats with berries and chia seeds. Midday, light stretching or a walk after lunch and plenty of water. Evening, a healthy dinner with leafy greens, maybe baked fish or lentil soup. Night, my golden turmeric milk, followed by a few ankle and knee stretches before bed. No pills, no complicated routines, just a calm, healing rhythm that fits easily into daily life. And I want the same for you. In the final part, I'll guide you through a gentle 3-minute joint care routine you can do from your chair every morning, plus a few encouraging words to help you stay consistent on your path to healing. Let's finish today's video with something gentle, simple, and powerful. A 3-minute joint care routine you can do each morning, right from your chair. This daily movement can help wake up your body, reduce stiffness, and prepare your joints for the day ahead, especially when combined with the anti-inflammatory turmeric recipe we talked about earlier. You don't need to be flexible or athletic. Just follow along. Chair, 3-minute chair, joint care routine. Step 1. Ankle rolls, 30 seconds. Sit tall in your chair. Lift one foot slightly off the floor and rotate your ankle in circles. 5 times to the right, 5 to the left. Switch feet. This wakes up your circulation and helps prevent swelling in the feet. Step 2. Knee lifts, 30 seconds. Still seated, gently lift one knee toward your chest. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower. Repeat 5 times on each side. This gently activates your hips and knees. Step 3. Arm circles, 30 seconds. Raise your arms out to your sides and slowly make small forward circles. After 15 seconds, reverse the direction. This warms up your shoulders and increases mobility. Step 4. Neck stretches, 30 seconds. Gently tilt your head to one side. Hold for 5 seconds, then switch. Look left, then right. This helps release tension and improves blood flow to your head and neck. Step 5. Shoulder rolls and deep breathing, 1 minute. Roll your shoulders slowly up, back, and down. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Do this 3 times slowly. This calms your nervous system and centers your body for the day. You see, healing doesn't always come in big, dramatic moments. Sometimes it's in the small, loving steps we take every day, choosing better foods, moving gently, and listening to our bodies. I'm 84, and I didn't think I'd find relief from the pain I felt. But when I gave my body what it needed, natural support, not just medication, I started feeling alive again. The turmeric drink was just the beginning. So now it's your turn. Try it for 4 days. Just 4 days. Cut out the foods that feed pain. Add in the turmeric recipe. Move a little more. Drink a little more water. Sleep a little deeper. And then tell me how your body feels. If this video helped you, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs a gentle, healing push. And don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Wellness, where we believe in small steps, big change, and healing with heart. Until next time, take care of yourself. You're worth it.